Hi guys, welcome back to Shopaholic Adventures. And how are you liking our haul videos? Like I told you in my previous video, I have been shopping like crazy in the previous month, and I did shop a lot, and everything is coming now. The things are getting delivered, or they have got delivered, and I have been trying those products, and I am loving some of those. So I am sharing those with you. And today's haul is related to a brand that I love. Like I absolutely love, and I have a huge stash from that brand, and that is a fragrance brand. And I'm sure you guys would have guessed it because I keep talking about it on my Instagram. And if you are following me on Snapchat as well, you guys would have seen me having that product next to me all the time. If you're still not getting it, then it is Bath and Body Works. Now I have a huge haul. Now I ordered in parts. I got half of it on the month of July. I ordered half of these things during the sale where everything was 60% off, and when I bought it, everything was like you buy two and you get one free. So basically I have bought everything during sale only. So I'm going to show you what all I have, and I love these. So let's start. Let's not waste more time because this is certainly my favorite brand. I love Bath and Body Works. So here it is. I am going to start with the most recent things that I bought. I bought 5 things recently, and those are these Christmas collection. Now I bought their Christmas collection. I've always been a fan of their Christmas collection, and I bought these 5 products. These are all travel size products. These are 3 travel size mists, and I bought 2 hand creams. So let's just talk about these one by one. So these are all at 60% off. These are actually priced at I think 700, but I got these for around 299. And the ones which I have is this Twisted Peppermint. This is very refreshing. It has a proper pepperminty fragrance, and it's really refreshing. If you are a fan of minty fragrances, or peppermint kind of a fragrance, this is your thing to pick up. It has a very nice, very long lasting fragrance. In fact, I was just jokingly telling my husband also, if you ever by mistake also smoke and you want to spray it on yourself, you should spray this, because this has a very pepperminty fragrance, and it's really nice. So yeah, I mean, I like this one. It has a minty feel to it, and it's very refreshing. So this is the one which I bought. Second one which I bought is Winter Candy Apple. Now this has a very citrus smell. It has a citrus fragrance. It has a apple and a citrus kind of a fragrance, and it's very different. If you are somebody who likes citrus fragrances, or you like fruity fragrances, this should be a pick. It is really nice, and I really like this fragrance. So yeah, if you are somebody who loves citrusy kind of fragrances, then you must go for this one. And this one is my favorite. It is my absolute favorite. Like, this is my absolute favorite. And this is Frosted Coconut Snowball. This one has a tinge of coconut fragrance, and but it is not that nariyal tel wala coconut fragrance. It has a very mild, very soothing fragrance, and it stays long. It lingers on your outfit or on your body, and it's just amazing. It has a very if you are someone like me who likes mild fragrances, this one is your pick. You have to go for this one. It is just so amazing. This one is my hands down favorite. It is my all-time favorite. I love it. And also, when I'm talking about this one, I am going to talk about this one as well. Now this one is a coconut milk moisture mist, and this one has amazing fragrance. I mean, I am a very huge fan of this one, and I'm just worried, that once this gets over, I am not going to get this again. So I'm very, conjuice in using this. The best part about this is it has a very long lasting fragrance, but a very mild fragrance. It stays on your skin, and another thing is that it moisturizes your skin. So I'm just going to show you. It has a moisturizer in it. So, you guys can see, and then if I massage it, it actually does moisturizes my skin, and it can be used during, you guys can see, right? Just see. So you guys can use it even in summers, even in winters, and The fragrance, I mean, the fragrance is, there are no words for it. It's just so awesome. So while I was talking about this one, I thought it's better I talk about this one also, because this also has a coconut fragrance. And again, these are not very, parachute oil wala fragrance. These are very soothing. They stay and they linger on your skin, and they make you smell amazing entire day because they're really long lasting. Now this one is for 1700, but I got it in an offer for, if I buy 2 products I get the third one free. So I had bought one body butter and I think a mist as a gift for Malika, and that is when I got this one for myself, free product, and I loved it. Now along with these mists, I bought these 2 hand creams. One is Cactus Blossom. This smells really nice. It has a very nice flowery fragrance, lasts long, and it is also very moisturizing. But this one is the one which I love, and if you are following me on Snapchat, you would have seen this all the time next to me. I keep applying this all the time. This one is Almond Milk. It smells of almonds. I'm not joking. It smells of almonds. If you have ever tried almond milk, you would know the fragrance. It smells of almonds, and it is very moisturizing. It moisturizes your fingers, your cuticles. So I have this all the time next to my bed. It is a very soft kind of a fragrance, very soothing fragrance, and it does moisturizes your fingers. So for all the time while I'm just sitting, I'm doing some work, I'm typing on my system, so I tend to use this so that my hands are also moisturized, and I love this fragrance. So next we have these 2. I bought 2 and I got one free. So I bought these 2 and I bought another one, and I got another one free. So these are their diamond mist. These are having glitters in it, and I don't use them very often, but the same variants are also available without glitter as well. So whenever I'm going for a night party or something, that's when I use these. But sadly 2020 I haven't gone out for a party, so just at times, just to feel good, I have applied, and these last long. This fragrance is really nice for both. This one, both are flowery fragrances. They are long lasting, and I'm just going to show you how the glitter looks. I'm not sure if the glitter is visible, but there is a lot of glitter over here. You see, it's all glitter, so it is really nice to put it around your, if you're wearing something deep neck, and if you put it around your cleavage area, it looks really nice. And otherwise also it's good to apply it around your neck, around your wrists, or on your arms. I do apply it around my hair also at times, because it gives a nice look to my hair as well. So yeah, and this one again I'm going to show you. So I don't know if the glitter is visible, if the camera is actually catching the glitter or not, but I'm sure little is visible, but that's how it looks. So it has a lot of glitter, and it gives a very, it doesn't make it all very chunky, glittery, like 90s, but it gives a very nice subtle look to your look, and to it adds a very nice subtle glam look to your entire look. So yeah, if you are somebody who loves glitters like I do, you can check these out. They have the diamond collection in all their variants. So they have, I think the normal ones are priced at 1500, and these are priced at somewhere 1700, but please buy it during the sale. You will get it much cheaper. Okay, I have 2 favorites now. This one is Japanese Cherry Blossom. I did have a body butter also of the same one, but sadly it did get over because it smelled so amazing, and I kept applying it, and it did nourish and moisturize my skin so well. So I had a body butter along with this one, and this one was priced at $12.95, and along with this I bought this one, and I got the body butter free. Like I told you guys, always go for the offer in Bath and Body Works. They have quite a lot of offers going on. This again is a very floral kind of a smell. If you like floral fragrances, this is your pick to go. This one is a woody scent. If you like woody fragrances, then this one should be a go. This is a very mild as compared to this one. This is not that mild. And also one more thing, this one is somehow, this mist is pink in color. So if you are wearing something white, please do not apply it on your clothes. I mean, actually don't apply mist on your clothes, but also some people do tend to apply on their clothes. So if you are wearing something white, don't apply it on your clothes. Just apply it around your neck area, behind your ears, on your wrist, so that you smell amazing the entire day. And this one is woody, like I told you. This also has a very nice fragrance. I like to apply it during night outs or night parties, or generally also. But again, like I told you, 2020 we didn't go out anywhere, so I've just applied it. I like to smell good all the time, so I just apply these and I love these. Now the last one that I have is a Thousand Wishes body wash. I did have a moisturizer also from the same variant, but the moisturizer is over because your girl has a super dry skin. So I am only left with this body wash, and I love this one, and I'm using it, बहुत कंजूसी से, so that this doesn't get over, because I love this one. But yeah, I mean, this is also about to get over soon. Maybe will last another half a month. But yeah, I just love this fragrance. Very, very long lasting. And the best part is, after you take bath and you come out, the fragrance also lingers in the bathroom, and that after bathing effect on your skin is so good. It's moisturizing, keeps your skin really soft, and it does retains the moisture and keeps it hydrated. And it is priced at 11.95, but sale mein lena yaar. And that is what my Bath and Body stash looks like. That's what I bought in this year, and I have loved each and every part of Bath and Body Works. I love this brand. I love their fragrances. I just love it. And do let me know which are your favorites, and if you did buy any of the Christmas collections, and which one is your favorite. And if you did like this video and found it useful, then do comment below, like and share our video, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell button so that every time we upload a new video, you guys are updated.